Thank you guys for clicking on this video. We have a 1929 Mercedes-Benz Gazelle here. It does run off a Volkswagen engine, which we'll see a little bit later here. Does need some minor work, some carpet, the top. However, this thing will fire right up and get you going where you want to go. Very cool little car. This is the trunk area up front because the engine is in the rear. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior here. Got the back seat and then the passenger and driver seat, and it is pretty tight. The tunnel there, very narrow. 4-speed manual. Your gauges there, everything. So let's go ahead, we'll pop this thing up in the air so you can see the undercarriage. All right, let's take a look underneath here. The front brakes there, that's the driver's side. This is the passenger side. And then as we make our way down and back, see underneath the car there. And then to the back where the engine and the transmission are. The driver's side rear there. Passenger rear. And let's go ahead and take a look inside the fender wells and such. And then over to the passenger side. And let's go ahead and get this thing back on the ground and outside for you guys. Looking at the engine bay of the Gazelle. See, here it is in the rear. It is a Volkswagen engine. Pretty small. Since we all know the Volkswagen engines are pretty compact. Get back in there. Let's go ahead and take it for a little test. Thank you guys for checking out the video. You can find this on our website, skywayclassics.com. There'll be a link in the description below, as well as a number that you can call to get more information about this little Gazelle. Thanks for watching.